That's the cable that pulls through the steel head that has the pipe connected to it.
The high-density polyethylene pipe, it's attached to a 150-foot cable. The 40-ton hydraulic ram pulls the cable through the pipe, replacing it with the new HDPE high-density polyethylene pipe. The normal sewer replacement can take up to 3 or 4 days. Using the magic Trenchless method, we can get the same work done in 1 day. Magic Plumbing. We've been replacing sewer lines in the Bay Area for over 28 years. Give us a call for a free estimate. The number is 888-588-7606.